Android update. Find out when Android 9 Pie patch is launching on your Samsung device. Android fans that own Samsung devices now know when the Android 9 Pie patch will be heading to their smartphone. Android users on Samsung smartphones have found out when the Android 9 Pie patch will be releasing on their devices. Samsung has this week begun rolling out the latest version of the Google OS on the Samsung Galaxy S9. And now the South Korean tech giant has published a roadmap of when the Android 9 Pie patch is set to arrive on over 20 devices. According to a post by Sammobile, the Android Pie roadmap was published in the Samsung Members app. The oldest Samsung Galaxy models set to get the Android Pie patch in 2019 are the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. While the oldest Note smartphone to get the Android 9 download is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Here is the Android Pie release date roadmap for Samsung devices. Galaxy S9, January 2019. Galaxy S9 Plus, January 2019. Samsung Android Pie roadmap, continued. Galaxy Note 9, February 2019. Galaxy S8, March 2019. Galaxy S8 Plus, March 2019. Galaxy Note 8, March 2019. Galaxy A8 2018, April 2019. Samsung Android Pie roadmap, continued. Galaxy A8 Plus 2018, April 2019. Galaxy A7 2018, April 2019. Galaxy A9 2018, April 2019. Galaxy Tab S4 10.5, April 2019. Galaxy J4, May 2019. Samsung Android Pie roadmap, continued. Galaxy J4 Plus, May 2019. Galaxy J6, May 2019. Galaxy J6 Plus, May 2019. Galaxy A8 Star, May 2019. Galaxy J7 2017, July 2019. Samsung Android Pie roadmap, continued. Galaxy J7 Duo, August 2019. Galaxy Discover 4, September 2019. Galaxy J3 2017, September 2019. Galaxy Tab S3 9.7, September 2019. Galaxy Tab A 2017, October 2019. Galaxy Tab Active 2, October 2019. Galaxy Tab A 10.5, October 2019. The Android 9 Pie patch will bring with it the brand new One UI skin to Samsung devices also. One UI is the skin from the South Korean tech giant that will run on top of Android 9 Pie. The beta for the software kicked off for a limited number of users last month that delivered a swathe of new upgrades. During the unveiling for One UI, Samsung was eager to explain how the skin has been inspired to make navigation on larger devices easier than ever before. Software such as the Messages application were shown featuring the majority of their content in the middle and bottom of the display, meaning users would not need to stretch to the top to make the most of the software. Samsung said, One UI helps you focus on what really matters to you. With hardware and software working together in harmony, see only what you need, using and viewing your phone with an experience that feels second nature. Because it's the small details that make a big difference.